what are we talking about? Gregor Mendel. Yeah, this guy who was
he cut off the poor pea plants, their
little
special
thingy.
places.
Yeah, and he was a priest, right? No, maybe
He was a monk.
one of that thingy. Yeah,
He was a monk.
And he was alive in like the 1800s.
He used pea plants because he could
for hereditary that thing.
to study heredity.
One of those things.
And he used them because there were 7 visible traits. They grow really fast, like in 2 months. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And
I'm telling the truth. I swear to you.
Yeah, and it was easy to cut off the parts so that
and
like,
it was
one plant would have like the female part, one plant would have the male part, and then they do their thing.
They do their thing.
Yeah,
they do what they were made to do.
Yeah, and
but then
so like some of his
he used them because it was like 2 choices. Like it was either one thing or the other.
Like example,
like
it was either yellow or green or like he couldn't. It was never like purple or pink or anything.
There was like 2. That's it.
And
There was only 2.
Only 2.
Only 2. And
unless
then
it was like mutated and weird.
and then
he like discovered a lot of different words.
Long words.
Yeah, like genes and
heterozygous.
Alleles,
homozygous.
the dominant, recessive alleles, and phenotype and genotype and all those fun words.
Foil.
And, if you don't know the definition of them, they'd be in the slide that was before us.
The slide.
Yeah.
The slide.
One of those slides. One of those slides is over there.
And oh, that was disgusting. Ew.
Phlegm. Ew. Okay.
And
everyone in the class is gonna be like, oh,
why?
disgusting.
Why do you have to add that?
We're sorry. Okay.
And then there's P1 generation, and then F1
like,
generation.
And at the F1 generation, it's like the generation of when the cut parts went and had their babies. I guess.
No, it was like if it was like one color or not, right?
No, the F1 generation was the
hybrids.
The
yeah.
first.
It's right here.
Yeah, the offspring of the parents
with different traits.
Yeah, that thing.
So it basically mattered if you were pure or you were a mutt.
Like
yeah.
Like I was gonna say something, but oh well.
I feel tall.
You know what? I'm short. Okay, you're mean.
I gotta like crouch down. I have a hunch.
Okay, and then he also like did segregation, which is like the process that separates 2 alleles of a gene. And
2 alleles.
Yeah.
No, I'm not kidding. There were 2.
Yeah, 2. I know.
There were 2.
Crazy.
I promise there was 2. I wouldn't lie to you.
But yeah, there's also like a whole bunch of other mumbo jumbo about this dude and what he did in our little
Mumbo-jumbo.
PowerPoint.
Blah, blah, blah.
That you should probably have seen before you saw this.
Exactly. So we're just repeating everything.
And for all those people on YouTube watching this going like, what the
are they
heck?
doing?
This is for
our
biology class.
Our applied biology.
And we're putting it on our PowerPoint.
Yeah.
If we can figure out how to.
Just leave it to me.
Okay.
Let's hope I can do it too.
Yeah.
Anyways. Bye.
Bye. Wait, how do I get
Bye.
myself
You
out of
press
this thing?
the red button.